Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for tater tots and comfort food. Let's try making that cowboy casserole.
All right, let's make a cowboy casserole. Today, we're making a cowboy casserole. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be good, and hey, and there's tater tots. Who doesn't love tater tots? So hey, without further ado, get your tots ready, let's go. In a skillet on medium heat, this one still has a bunch of bacon grease in there that I left from cooking bacon. Not a requirement, but not a bad thing. We are going to cook a pound of ground beef. Go ahead and break that up. As your meat starts to brown, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. Maybe a little smoked paprika for good measure. When your beef is nice and cooked and it's shooting all over your kitchen, I'm gonna turn my heat down, and then we're gonna add in about a can of corn, quarter cup of sour cream. I'm out of sour cream, so I'm using yogurt, and that's not my hand. A third a cup of milk, half a cup of cheese. This is just cheddar cheese that I grated. A little bit more salt, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, why not? Mix this up. Just let everything kind of cook, let that liquid kind of drain off, thicken a little bit. Then we go 2/3 of a cup of condensed cream of mushroom soup. Then we stir this all together. And we let that simmer until it thickens a little bit. Once your mixture starts to thicken up a little bit, put about half of a pound of cooked chopped bacon. Stir that in. Preheat your oven to 375. In a greased casserole dish or a foil pan if you want to make cleanup easier for yourself. Just go ahead and scoop this mixture into your base layer. Just kind of even that out as best you can. Then we go in with about the other half cup of shredded cheese. I'm gonna leave a little bit behind for the top layer. Actually, I'm gonna use it all. I can shred more cheese. Well, let's get all that cheese on there. Try to even that out. All right. Then we take our tater tots and we just make a nice little, I don't know, rose, whatever you want to call it. Make a design. Do whatever you want. You do you, boo. Bada bing, bada boom. Just gonna hit these guys with a touch of salt, a little bit of black pepper, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. Then we're gonna put this in our 375 oven for 40 to 45 minutes uncovered. All right, after 40 minutes in the oven, we're just gonna sprinkle the rest of our cheese. Well, we made more. We shredded more cheese, or we grated more cheese. So we're gonna put this, just top this. And we just put this guy back in the oven for about 5 minutes. All right, and here is our done cowboy casserole. Let's take a piece. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's good. It's nice and savory. It's got a nice, the tater tots give it a real nice texture balance. It's just a really good casserole. Super easy to make. Kids would love it. Family would love it. Everyone would love it. Highly recommend. But hey, let's see what everyone else thinks. Hey buddy, how you doing? Look what we got for you. We got this cowboy casserole. What do you think?
That's really good. Feel free to put the rest in my bowl.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The real measure of wealth is how much you'd be worth if you lost all your money. I have no money, but I'm priceless.
Mom, there's our cowboy casserole.
Looks really good.
I don't have to feed it to you like I feed it to Nash.
This is really good. Really, really good.
It's like, comfort food.
Comfort food. Who doesn't love tater tots?
Yep.
Very
It's
good.
nostalgia and comfort food all in one.
Yeah,
All right.
excellent.
Nash approves. My mom approves. I approve. It's a great dish. Great comfort food. Again, like she said, who doesn't love tater tots and meat and just a good comfort food? But hey, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it would help us out. We really appreciate it. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash and possibly on Parents to Taste, go ahead and put that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now. Till next time. Peace.